love money, and y'all always wondering, like, how could I make more money? What could I do? And you guys always asking Trippy, what the hell do you do for work? Like, what do you do, bro? I'm feeling high. What's poppin', Trippy fam? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Trippy, and for today's video we're gonna be talking about money. That's right. A lot of y'all are always wondering, how can I make more money? And I'm about to put you guys on, because a lot of y'all are always curious and ask me, like, what the hell do you do, Trippy? Because I need to know. So I'm gonna tell y'all right now. Make sure y'all like this video, subscribe. It's about to get lit. So to start it off, y'all, get a fucking job. Get a job. Get off your ass and get a job, y'all. That's right. That's the first thing I'm gonna start it off. I'm gonna be showing y'all ways to make money, how I make money, another way to show you money, and how I make money. Cause I'm gonna kind of go back and forth, so I kind of want y'all to follow along and be on the same page as me. So that's how I'm gonna break it down for this video. So let's get it. Get a job, y'all. That's right, get a job. I have a job. I had a job. You know, everyone starts with a job, y'all. That's how you start making money on the real. You're not gonna make money if you ain't got a job. Plain and simple, y'all. You need to get a job. That's like the first step. I don't care, like, you know, that's where you gotta start. You know what I'm saying? Go get a job. Don't matter where you work at. A job's a job. You get that money, y'all. I started working, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I started working. I had like 3 jobs. No, I had like hella more jobs prior before doing YouTube. But I was working a lot, y'all. And once you get a job, you work there for a month, 2, 3. I don't know. Depends on, you know, if you like the job or not. But you work there, you know, get that money, you know, hustle, get some money. Once you get some money, you can start doing other things, you know, you can start buying things, you can flex it, you could just give it away, you can do whatever you want with it. It's your money. But there is ways on how to use your money to make more money. And that's what I'm gonna show y'all, and that's what I do, honestly. So I do work. I work at Amazon. For a lot of y'all always wondering, what do I do? I work at Amazon, and with Amazon, it's pretty dope because it's flexible. I make my own schedule. I work whenever I want. I'm my own boss. You know, I don't have no one on me. As long as you're doing your part, your job, like I said, working your butt off, then you're good. No one's gonna hassle you. So that's what you gotta do. You gotta go get a job and go work, you guys. Go get some money. And that's what I do, and that's pretty dope. So shout out Amazon for, you know, providing jobs for people that, you know, work whenever they want, especially with coronavirus right now. It's coming through, y'all. So I would highly recommend it if you guys are looking for a job. Another way I make money is through my YouTube channel, Trippy Cat. A lot of y'all know I have another YouTube channel called Trippy Cat with Wavy Cat, and we do a lot of, you know, keeping it lit videos. So a lot of that content is not monetized. It's not ad friendly, so we don't get paid for none of the videos, y'all. For the last, I could say, 2 years on YouTube, we have not made not one single dime of any of our lit videos, because, you know, YouTube doesn't pay you for that type of videos, y'all. That's the reason why I wouldn't, you know, encourage anybody to start YouTube or WeTube, because you're not gonna make money. I mean, it is fun, don't get me wrong, but that goes into another factor, y'all. Like, once you start making money and you enjoy what you're doing, that plays a big role, because you're doing what you love, you know. It doesn't feel like you're working. So if you go work and you're not happy, maybe that's not the right job for you. That's why you're not happy. You're not feeling what you're doing. So maybe you need to switch it up, you know, go try something else. There's hella jobs out there, y'all. Just try something else until you finally find that one job that, you know, it makes you happy, you know what I'm saying? And with YouTube, I feel like that's my job right there. That I got lucky, you guys. I'm so grateful for the Wavy fam, because I would never imagine I would be doing YouTube right now or filming a video from my own channel. Like, well, I got my own channel, and that's another source of income that I have right now. So I have that's 3 right there. I have job, Trippy Cat, and my channel. And my channel, it is ad friendly, so I do get ads. I am getting paid, not hella yet. So I need y'all to run it up. Make sure y'all share this with everybody. But you know, it's building up. You know, you gotta start from somewhere, from the bottom. You know what I'm saying? You can't just start at the top. So start at the bottom, you work yourself up. And with YouTube, the Trippy Cat channel, I don't know if I told y'all, but we get sponsors. Of course, we get sponsors, and that's how we get majority of the money on the Trippy Cat channel, on sponsors. And sponsors are, it could be one month you could have hella sponsors, and the next you won't have none. So it's a hit or miss, y'all. It's not really like, I wouldn't like depend on it hella. That's why I got the job and this channel, because it's not like it's something I could depend on, you know what I'm saying? So those are 3 sources of incomes that I have, and with those, it gives me the ability to invest. So with investing, you can invest in hella things, you guys. I know you guys are probably thinking already like, oh, he's talking about stocks and things like that. Oh, I am technically, but you can also invest in like things, people, businesses, like yourself. You know, don't sell yourself short, you guys. We have the potential to do anything we want, you guys. Like, I'm on the real, and I encourage everyone to just go hard and do what they love. Don't be afraid to go try it out. You know, you never know until you try it. You know what I'm saying? So with those incomes, I can invest. So with investing, I have Robinhood. It's an app. Go check it out. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. You guys can download it, and you guys get a free stock. I get a free stock. We're both winning. You know, win-win. And that's another source of income I have. Shout out Diego. We actually made a video with Diego on the Trippy Cat channel, how to make money. Go check it out. He's doing so good. I'm proud of him. He introduced me into investing. He showed me the ropes. He actually has a course that you can take too if you guys are new and are wondering like, how could I start investing? I'm gonna leave the link down in the description below so you guys can check it out. It's also a referral code, so it saves you guys some money if you guys do end up signing up to the course and the Discord. And you know, we all gather up at night and just share ideas, stocks, trades for the next day, and it's really come in handy, you guys. I've been doing it for the last 3 months, and I highly recommend it. It's just another source of income. Like I said, you guys, in this world, you gotta have a lot of sources of income to be able to survive, especially in the Bay Area. It's so damn expensive, and that's what I do. You know what I'm saying? And that's how I'm able to make some money, you guys. And this is not a flex. It's not. Just did it for the video. That's what I gotta say, you guys. So go get a job, make some money, invest that money, make more money, and just keep making money, you guys. What's good? The camera died, y'all. I hope this was a good video, y'all. Make sure you guys like it. I don't know how it came out. I feel like I was rambling for hella long. You know, I'm lit. You know, when you're lit, you just ramble and ramble. That's how I felt with this video. I hope you guys understood what I'm saying, you guys. You guys gotta work hard. Nothing in life's easy, you guys. And like I said, this is not a flex, you guys. I work hard for this money, you guys. And I'm hella personal with my personal life. Like, I don't like to be out there with it. I don't know if you guys can tell if you've been following me. I like to be low key. There's money for everybody. Like, if you guys know me, I'm not a big flexer. Like, I'm not. I hate flexers. Like, they're just like, there's no need to flex, bro. Like, if you got it, you got it. You know, just keep it on the low. Being cutty, being to yourself, private, is way better than just being out there and like just being like, oh, what's good? I got dough. You know what I'm saying?
Boy, if you don't get
like, nah, bro, that ain't me. So I just want to motivate y'all and encourage y'all that you could make money. You know what I'm saying? There's ways to make money out there. You guys just gotta go get it. Go sign up for the stocks, Robinhood. Go sign up for the Discord. Shout out Diego. Scared money don't make money, you guys. Patience is a virtue, you guys. You won't make money hella fast, but you will make money, you guys. If you guys are smart, if you guys have a plan, and you guys are just, you know, you guys know what you guys want in life. Let's see what should I go buy? I do this thing. This is all savings, baby. And also save your money, y'all. Don't be buying dumb shit. We out, y'all.